Stay low. Stay low. Good girl. Barry's down the hole, I think. You okay, Barry?
Welcome to Shank Exploration. So I got something pretty cool for our hunting trip. Just because I am a coffee fiend, I got a mini coffee maker. So you can either hold on to it, there's buttons on either side, well, little holders, or you can actually just place it on your cup, or for bigger cups, like this one, it will actually just stay stationary. So then you can just add your coffee. So then all you do is take your hot water, pour it in, and you have delicious coffee. It's definitely made for a little bit smaller of a cup, but gonna try it out and see how it works. Pretty excited about this for our hunting trip and just camping in general. Well, the first coffee is made.